Let me tell you some unknown facts of food. Watch till the end, it's very interesting. Please subscribe, like and share. Figs are not fruits, is it? Yes, most people commonly think of figs as fruits. They actually develop from an inverted flower. The fig plant has an unusual flowering process where its flowers bloom internally. The structure that we typically think of as the fruit is actually a hollowed-out fleshy structure called synconium, which houses numerous tiny flowers inside. These flowers produce the seeds that give figs their distinct texture. The fig's intricate reproductive system involves a special relationship with a tiny wasp called a fig wasp. The female wasp enters the fig's synconium to lay her eggs and inadvertently pollinates the flowers while doing so. This unique pollination process results in the fig's seeds developing within the fruit. As a result, figs are not strictly fruits in the conventional sense, but rather a fascinating botanical oddity where flowers and fruits merge into one delicious package. This complexity adds to the allure and mystique of the humble fig, making it a truly remarkable and intriguing fruit-like flower. Almonds are not nuts but seeds. Almonds are commonly mistaken for nuts, but they are actually seeds of the almond fruit. The almond tree produces a drupe fruit with an outer hull, a hard shell with a seed inside. This seed is what we commonly refer to as the almond. Unlike true nuts, which are the mature ovary of a plant, almonds are the edible seed found within the pit of the fruit. The beauty of sweet almond lies in their white blossoms. Sweet almonds are versatile, offering their seed for consumption, oil for cooking, and flour low in carbs and gluten for dietary needs. Sweet almond oil shines as a skin moisturizer, rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, ideal for dry or sensitive skin and popular in massage oils. The bitter almonds are produced from pink blooms. Bitter almonds notably smaller in size. It contains harmful compounds. Due to toxic substances present in bitter almond oil, it is not advisable for direct skin application. Instead, this oil is commonly used in manufacturing fragrances and cosmetics such as perfumes, colognes, soaps, and lotions due to its lubricating properties and delightful scent. Conversely, bitter almond oil is valued for its medicinal benefits like anti-cancer, weight loss, antibacterial, antifungal, and sedative properties, making it versatile in medical applications. In conclusion, almond tree is a modest plant which produces white flowers for sweet almonds and pinkish blooms for bitter ones. Sweet almonds, cherished for their taste, serve in various culinary roles, while bitter almonds, with their cautionary toxic nature, find purpose in medicine and fragrance industries. Did you know? Consuming black pepper along with turmeric helps in better absorption of curcumin. Combining pepper with turmeric can enhance the effectiveness of turmeric due to the presence of a compound called piperine in pepper. Piperine helps increase the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, by the body. Curcumin is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, but it is not easily absorbed on its own. By adding black pepper to dishes containing turmeric, you can significantly boost the bioavailability of curcumin. To make the most of this combination, you can create a simple turmeric and black pepper paste by mixing turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper and a little bit of healthy fat like coconut oil. This paste can be added to various dishes, such as curries, soups, smoothies, or even a cup of warm milk. Another popular way to consume turmeric and pepper together is by making golden milk, a traditional Ayurvedic drink that combines turmeric, black pepper, coconut milk, and honey. By incorporating this combination into your diet regularly, you can maximize the health benefits of turmeric and harness its full potential. Eating raw eggs is not good. Why? Consuming raw eggs can pose several health risks due to the potential presence of harmful bacteria such as Salmonella. Raw eggs may be contaminated with Salmonella enteritidis, a type of bacteria that can cause food poisoning called salmonellosis. When eggs are not cooked thoroughly, these bacteria may not be killed, leading to the risk of infection when consumed. Symptoms of a salmonella infection can include stomach cramps, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, fever, and in severe cases, dehydration and hospitalization. Cooking eggs thoroughly can help eliminate the risk of salmonella contamination. Heating eggs to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius kills the bacteria and makes them safe to eat. It's important to handle eggs properly, store them in the refrigerator, and follow good food safety practices to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. While some people may consume raw eggs in dishes like homemade mayonnaise or Caesar salad dressing, it's generally recommended to opt for pasteurized eggs or egg products to minimize the risk of bacterial contamination. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins in the body. Raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which has a strong affinity for biotin. When raw eggs are consumed, avidin binds to biotin in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption. This can lead to a biotin deficiency if raw eggs are consumed regularly and in large quantities. However, when eggs are cooked, the avidin is denatured, meaning it loses its ability to bind to biotin. This allows the biotin to be absorbed in the body without interference. Therefore, it is safe to consume cooked eggs in moderation as part of a balanced diet to ensure an adequate intake of biotin and other essential nutrients. Biotin helps to keep the skin, eyes, and hair healthy. It helps to regulate the blood sugar levels. It helps to have healthy babies. Banana strings, also known as phloem bundles, are packed with nutrients. What? Banana strings are the thin, fibrous strands that run along the length of a banana when it is peeled. While some people may prefer to remove them due to their texture, these strings actually offer several nutritional benefits that may make you reconsider tossing them aside. Firstly, banana strings are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support gut health by feeding the beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Including banana strings in your diet can contribute to your daily fiber intake and promote overall digestive wellness. It is a rich source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Vitamin C supports the immune system and collagen production, while vitamin B6 plays a role in brain development and function. By consuming the whole banana, including the strings, you can maximize the nutritional benefits and enjoy a well-rounded source of essential nutrients. Hello viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I would be very grateful, and it will encourage me to do many more interesting topics in the wonderful world of food. Thank you.